What's up, everyone? If you're looking for a compact computer that saves space without sacrificing performance, this video is for you. Mini PCs have become incredibly powerful in 2026, making them perfect for office work, home entertainment, content creation, and even light gaming. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best mini PCs you can buy right now. We'll break down the specs, real-world performance, pros, cons, and help you decide which one fits your needs best. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. K1 Mini PC. Taking the top spot is the K1 Mini PC. This mini PC also features the AMD Ryzen 4300U, but what makes it stand out is the bigger 1TB SSD, making it the best overall package on this list. It comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM, Windows 11 Pro, Radeon graphics, and support for triple 4K displays. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Gigabit Ethernet, USB-C, and VESA mounting support, it offers excellent flexibility for both office and home setups. Performance is smooth, efficient, and reliable for multitasking, content consumption, and productivity. Pros: large 1TB SSD, strong Ryzen 4300U performance, Windows 11 Pro included, triple display support, excellent overall value. If you want the best balance of performance, storage, and value, the K1 is the winner. Number 2. Pinova P1 Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 4300U, this machine offers better efficiency and stronger performance compared to older Ryzen 3000 series chips. It includes 16GB of RAM and a 256GB of SSD. While storage is smaller, the CPU performance is excellent for multitasking, office work, and business applications. Triple 4K display support makes it a productivity-focused machine. Pros: efficient Ryzen 4300U processor, great multitasking performance, modern USB-C support, compact design, energy efficient. A very balanced mini PC for business and daily productivity. Number 3. Mini PC Ryzen 5350U. We have this Ryzen 5350U Mini PC. It packs 16GB of RAM and a 512GB of SSD and features a faster 2.5 gigabit eLAN port, which is a big plus for faster wired internet and server applications. It supports HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and USB-C, enabling triple 4K displays. Performance is strong for office tasks, media streaming, and even virtualization with Proxmox support. Pros: 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, good multitasking performance, triple 4K display support, versatile connectivity, great value. A strong all-rounder for productivity and home office users. Number 4. E2 Mini PC. Next up, we have the E2 Mini PC, also powered by the Ryzen 5350H. This mini PC offers 16GB of RAM and a 512GB of NVMe SSD, which delivers fast boot times and smooth daily performance. The E2 stands out with its clean design and efficient cooling system, making it reliable for long work sessions. It supports USB-C and dual HDMI for triple displays, which makes multitasking very convenient. Pros: reliable Ryzen 5 processor, fast NVMe storage, triple monitor support, efficient cooling, good build quality. This is ideal for students, business users, and work-from-home setups. Number 5. E4 Mini PC. Finally, we have the E4 Mini PC powered by the Ryzen 5350H. This mini PC comes with 16GB of RAM and a 512GB PCIe SSD, giving you solid multitasking performance and fast storage speeds. One of its strongest features is the dual RJ45 ports, which is excellent for networking setups, home servers, or advanced office environments. It supports triple 4K display output, making it ideal for productivity and multitasking. Pros: strong multi-core performance, dual Ethernet ports, fast SSD storage, triple display support, compact and portable. This is a great option for office users and networking enthusiasts. So, those were the top 5 best mini PCs in 2026. If you want the best overall, go with the K1 mini PC. If you want the best budget option, the Pinova P1 is a solid choice. And if networking matters most, the E4 mini PC with dual LAN is worth considering. Check the links in the description for pricing and availability. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.